rampant, the cases of insecurity are rampant, generally in Siaya, I must say that, but more particularly in North Alega. And we had the tragedy of 3 individuals, young men, being killed by thugs, and thugs who are known to be operators within the ward, who are involved in criminal conduct, raiding homes, beating up people, and now it has amounted to causing death to individuals, young Kenyans. And despite complaints which have been made, and the police coming here, the police commander and the county commissioner, there has been no improvement in security.
Established that force to intensify security patrols in this sub-county. Very little improvement has been noticed in the area of improved security. Just a few days ago, we had more insecurity challenges where many people are still being beaten and robbed, even in broad daylight. We want to ask the national security organs, the Inspector General of Police and the Cabinet Secretary in charge of security, that you now must come on board and ensure that the people of Alega Usonga experience peace. Because these continuous security lapses, where thugs are able to rob and kill people even during the broad daylight, is unacceptable. It's a sign that the security arrangement here has completely failed, or the total breakdown. We will not allow this to continue, and that's the reason why we have said that going forward we are going to form our own security vigilantes, which is going to work with the assistant chief and the chiefs to give us protection, because it appears that the police force is no longer capable of giving the people of Kenya security. This is the message I want to send to Nairobi, and we want to ask the minister